Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll take you on an exciting journey into the world of small backyard gardens for urban dwellers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we have a treasure trove of tips and inspiration to help you transform your limited space into a charming green oasis. So, if you're looking to add a touch of green to your urban life, you're in the right place. We'll share a variety of useful and inspirational tips on how to make the most of your small backyard. From creative design concepts that maximize space and aesthetic appeal to embracing vertical gardening to add layers of greenery, there's something for everyone. We'll guide you through choosing the right plants that thrive in small spaces and urban environments and show you how to incorporate functional elements that enhance both beauty and utility. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the perfect ambiance, and we'll give you ideas on how to light your garden to make it inviting both day and night. Plus, we'll cover essential maintenance and care tips to ensure your garden remains a lush green retreat throughout the seasons. With our insights, you'll be able to create your own dream small garden amidst the urban hustle and bustle. So don't miss out on this opportunity to enrich your knowledge about small gardens and inspire greening efforts in urban communities. Are you a city dweller looking to add a touch of green to your everyday life? Or perhaps you're just starting your gardening adventure in limited space? Fear not. Watch our video on small backyard garden tips for urban dwellers and discover a variety of brilliant ideas to create a stunning small garden amidst the urban hustle and bustle. Don't miss the chance to experience the tranquility of nature behind the city's windows. Click the video link below and start your small garden adventure today.